log into FoodLogiq the very first time, you're going to need to create an account. Your account will give you free access to all of FoodLogiq's tools for generating PTI-compliant labels. You enter your information here, and then each time you return, all of the information you've created about your products and your locations is available to you. Setting up your company for the very first time is free and easy. You're going to enter basic information about your business, determine if it's viewable to all of your suppliers and customers, and identify what type of business you are. Your GS1 prefix is obtained through GS1 and identifies your business uniquely against all other businesses in their database. Your global location number relates to your primary place of business. Once you've created your business, you're going to be prompted to enter in information about your products. This starts with your Global Trade Identification Number, or G10. A G10 typically starts with the number 1, is then followed by your GS1 prefix, a unique item number, and ends with a check digit. The FoodLogiq system will let you know if you've entered it correctly. You're going to select a name that is going to be referenced throughout the system for easy lookup and is easily identifiable. In addition to your G10, you may choose to define a product attribute list. Here we're using the GPC BRIC code. The GPC BRIC list is a global standard that is used to classify all products that are traded within retail. Specific industries have identified additional attributes that are important to them. You may choose to use these as well. Since I'm acting as an avocado supplier, I'll select the Produce Traceability Initiative attribute list. Some of the information that I may choose to enter here could be my brand name, which is going to show up on my label, my functional name, which is the type of commodity that I'm trading, any sort of grade code, my net contents, which identifies what is in my case, my country of origin, and also the variety of produce that I'm trading. Each of these attributes are optional, but by entering them here one time, they will always be available for you when you print a label. Once we've entered in all our products, it's time to start entering in our locations. We do this first by identifying what location we want to use. And now we're also going to put back in that global location number. It could be the same one we identified earlier when we established our business, or it could be another one for another facility that you're adding. You identify the type of facility, a packing house in this case, and enter in information about the address. All of this information will be used for traceability purposes so that a consumer or one of your customers knows where your product was packed. Now that all of our master data has been created, we can create labels. Go to the main menu drop-down and select the labeling application. Our free labeling application includes several label layouts which you can use. If you need custom label layouts, you can upgrade to our premium version. To create a label, you're going to want to assign a label template that you can reuse over and over again. From there, you select the label template where you want to print a label from, and identify which product you're printing. Once you've identified that product, you'll see a lot of that information we entered in the product screen shows up automatically. As you select the location where you're packing this produce, you'll see other information show up automatically as well. Each of these fields are editable, and you can determine which type of date you want to represent on your label. The final component of your case label is a lot code. The application is generating this automatically with the Julian date format of the date that you selected, as well as some information relating to where you packed the product. But you're able to configure this based on whatever your operations need. And there you have it, a fully compliant case label with all the major retailer requirements intact that you can send to any label printer attached to your computer. Now that you're comfortable generating free labels on FoodLogiq.com, why don't you take some time and check out some of our other applications for connecting the world's supply chain in food safety, traceability, and sustainability.